Hey guys, it's Patrick here from the Fish Squad, and today we're going to make a jigging spoon. Alright guys, the first thing you will need is 2 clip rings. Alright, the next you'll need a treble hook, super glue or any other waterproof glue, sandpaper, any type of flat piece of metal. You could use steel, stainless steel, aluminum. I'm using an aluminum license plate and pliers. So with our license plate, we want to cut a jigging spoon shaped piece of metal out of it, and then we want to make a copy of that, so then we have 2 of them. And since this is aluminum, we're going to stick these 2 together with our super glue or other waterproof glue. Okay, so now we have our 2 jigging spoon dies, I guess, and we're going to stick them together with the super glue. Let's see, just boop, boop, boop. All right. Hope that this wasn't too much. And make that real tight. And make sure to avoid getting your fingers stuck together. Okay, the super glue has dried, and now we're gonna grab our sandpaper and we're gonna sand if any extra super glue dried on and the rough edges. Okay, and I forgot to tell you, but we will also need a drill or something else to drill small holes into this to fit the clip rings. So we want a hole up here at the top for a line to go, and then at the bottom for the treble hook. All right, let's get these holes drilled. Okay, so I've went ahead and drilled 2 holes, front and back, and now we will insert the clip rings. Let me do that. Hey guys, so I'm back. It had started raining, so I had to switch the day to finish this video. And now it's the next day. So now I've added the 2 clip rings on, and what we are going to do now is we want to add our treble hook onto the bottom clip ring, like so. Let's just do that really quick. All right, so we have added that. Let's get it all settled. All right. Okay, so now we have finished our jigging spoon. We have the metal part, the 2 clip rings, and we have the treble hook. So now all we need to do is, if you want, we can paint it, and that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so for my color scheme, I'm gonna do 2 red stripes and then 1 white stripe down the middle. Okay, so now I have a little piece of masking tape over it so I can spray paint red on both sides. Okay, so we'll let this dry, and then we'll take out the masking tape. Hopefully it'll look good, and we'll re-add the 2 clip rings and the treble hook. Okay, so now our jigging spoon has pretty much dried from the spray paint, but when I took off the masking tape, I had done a way too thick layer, of spray paint, and it got spray paint all in this area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over with some white acrylic paint. It is waterproof, and get all this so there's no red left. Okay, so now our jigging spoon has pretty much dried, and we can add the treble hook and the clip rings. Okay guys, so now we are done with our jigging spoon, and I probably could have done a better paint job and a better of making the spoon part, but make sure to subscribe to the Fish Squad and watch my next video, and bye.